Yeah. What happened?
Ciao. I thought
You look all retarded just standing there. Yeah!
Got it.
That's the way to do it. Easier after the first time, huh?
Hit that rock. I slid right down on it though.
Go, go. Yeah.
Oh. Should have hit it.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please tell us how your cliff jumping experience was?
Well, you know, I can't feel my balls right now. It's pretty much shriveled up. You know, I tried to break the fall with my ass. That didn't work.
Yeah.
Still a king now.